Hello dear Matlab lovers. Today I'm going to show you how you can plot an interactive 3D plotting like this. So in this figure you can see here is interactive 3D plotting with slider to rotate the axis and also surface, as well as zoom in and out features. So how I did this, how I create this. So I wrote a script or code in Matlab and run this code and script. So in the description of this video I explain each step-by-step code, that how the code is working, and you can easily understand and change the code as your need or necessity or as per your objectives. So here I first created the figure and axis for the interactive plot, and I choose a size of 800 by 600 pixel frame for the plotting. Then I implemented the function for generating the 3D surface plot that with X, Y and Z axis with meshgrid, and the value ranges from -5 to +5 with 0.1 step size. Again, I implemented some functions like adding interactive slider for rotation. If you want to see for the rotation of the plot of the surface, I wrote the lines for code to implement the slider for the rotation that ranges from 90 degree negative to +90 degree. Again, you can see that zoom control, or you can zoom in and out. So there are two buttons added to the control for zooming in and out the plot. So it's labeled like zoom in and out. This inside the code, the function camZone is responsible to do this operation. And finally the callback functions. These functions usually a slider adjustment, so it retrieves the current value of the azimuth and elevator sliders, updates the viewing angle of the 3D plot using view function. So how this you can generate interactive 3D plotting in Matlab very easily. And also the used function allows you to interact with a 3D plot by adjusting its orientation using different size sliders, controlling the zoom level with buttons and everything. So if you see the description, you will understand the code very easily line by line. Also you can ask if you have any question in the comments. So please like, continue learning, continue education, share, comments and subscribe. I will see you in the next video with another interesting tutorial.